So the last thing left is searching an item. So अगर मुझे कोई एक पर्टिकुलर आइटम को सर्च करने को बोलता है तो मैं उस आइटम के फर्स्ट अकरेंस का इंडेक्स पोजीशन रिटर्न करूँगा. ठीक है. सो दैट्स द आइडिया. So actually it's very simple. We are just going to implement linear search. So let's go down and let's add one more method. Def, let's call it find, and we'll ask for self and the item we want to search for. Okay, then we'll write a loop for I in range of self dot n, and then what we'll do is we'll simply check if self dot a का I is equal to item, then I'll simply return I and I'll break the loop. I'll simply actually break and I'll return I. One more thing that I can do is I can write a flag to be equal to 0. If it's found, then I'll write flag equals 1, and I can simply write a if statement. If flag equal to 1, then I can return I, else I can return not found or -1. Okay, so that's the piece of code that we wanted to write. Let's write this code, run this code, and now what we'll do is so this is the array right now. Print arr. Let's search for 8. So if I write arr dot find के अंदर if you try to find 8, it gives me 3. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? If we try to find out arr dot find 10, now this should give me 5, right? Let's try to find an item which does not exist in the list. Let's say 100, and it says -1. So we have completed the dynamic array implementation. I hope सब कुछ easy लगा, बहुत difficult नहीं था. I would really like that you guys should code it along. मतलब साथ में कर लोगे एक बार, practice हो जाएगा. Mostly questions will be asked from appending, inserting at a specific position and deletion का index और value mostly. ठीक है, और बाकी मैंने साइड में करा दिया so that you get the perspective कि कैसे काम हो रहा है. ठीक है, so thanks for watching.